Hello students, welcome to your grammar class. This is part 2 of chapter 6 Adjectives and Comparison. In the first video, we discussed about adjectives and its different types. In this video, we will discuss about comparison and degrees of comparison. Now, we use degrees of comparison or adjectives to compare two or more people, animals or things. The form of adjective will depend on the kind of comparison we make. Now there are three degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree. The positive degree of an adjective is used when no comparison is involved. Now in positive degree of comparison, there can be two cases. One, we just talk about one person and describe how the person, animal, place or thing is. In the second case, we do mention two people, animal, places or things, but we describe them as equals. Still, there is no comparison involved there. Examples: Arjun is a young man. Here we are just talking about Arjun, who is a young man. Thus, young is a positive degree adjective. I have a large box. Sushant is a sensible lawyer. I told you case 2 wherein we will talk about two people, but there won't be any comparison. An example of that would be Arjun is as powerful as Sushant. Here we are using two people, Arjun and Sushant, but they are both equals and no comparison made. Thus, we are using the word as powerful as. Comparative degree. The comparative degree of an adjective compares two people, animals, or things. We add R or ER to most adjectives to form their comparative. In some cases, we add more before the adjective. We often use than with comparative adjectives. Examples: My box is larger than yours. Here the word large was an adjective, but as we are using it for comparative degree, we will make it larger and use the word than along with it. Arjun is younger than Sushant. So here the comparative form of the word young is younger. Sushant is more sensible than Arjun. Here the adjective sensible does not have a comparative form called sensibler or sensibler, but we will use the word more to make it comparative. So we will get the sentence, Sushant is more sensible than Arjun. The third and the last degree of adjective is superlative degree. Superlative degree is used when we compare more than two people, animals, or things. Superlative degree is also known as the highest degree of comparison, as we are comparing more than two people, animals, or things. There are two ways we can form the superlative forms of adjectives. One is by adding st or est to the adjectives, or by adding the word most before that adjective. Superlative adjectives are used with the article the before them. In the way for comparative degree we used than, here we will use the article the before the superlative degree. Let us see some examples. The largest bed belonged to Papa Bear. As you saw, the word large has the superlative form called largest, and we use the article the before it. Nihal is the youngest of the three boys. Here we are comparing Nihal with all the three boys, and we say that he is the youngest of all. Sushant is the most sensible of the three boys. We are comparing Sushant with all the other three, and we say that he is the most sensible. As I told you, sensible does not have a comparative or superlative form of its own, so we use the word more for comparative and most for superlative. There are various ways of forming comparatives and superlatives. The first one is add er or est. Here we have the adjective tall. We will add er, which gives us taller, that is the comparative form, and add est, which gives us tallest, which is the superlative form. Second one, Double the last letter and add er or est. Here the adjective is big and the last letter is G. So we will double it and add er to make it bigger, which is the comparative form, and add gest and make it biggest, which is the superlative form. Third one, drop the y and add I and er for comparative and est for superlative. Here the word is easy. So we will drop the y and add IER to make it easier, that is the comparative form, and IEST, that is easiest, which will be the superlative form. Fourth one, add R or ST to the words ending in E. Here we have an adjective called large which ends with E. So we will just add R to make it comparative, that is larger, and add ST to make it superlative, largest. Fifth one, add more or most to the word. As we discussed in the earlier slides, the word sensible did not have a comparative or superlative form of its own. So we just added more and most. Here too, for the word cheerful, we will add more and most, which will give us more cheerful and most cheerful. Sixth one, change the word. Now there are certain words wherein we cannot add anything or drop anything and make it comparative or superlative. We just have to change the word. So the example is bad, worse, worst. Another example which is very familiar to you is good, better, best. Incorrect use of adjectives. Look at the two common mistakes that occur when we use adjectives for comparison. Rahim is more taller than Abraham. Here the adjective is tall. We can see that it is a comparative form of adjective, that is why we have taller. But there is no need to use the word more because we already have the comparative form of the adjective tall, that is taller. So the right way of saying it would be Rahim is taller than Abraham. Second one, Mumbai is the most largest city of India. This sentence is wrong because the superlative form of the adjective large is largest. So we don't need to add the word most to it. We use most only when we do not have a superlative form for that particular word. So the correct way of saying it would be Mumbai is the largest city in India. I hope the explanation was clear to you. So let us do a quick revision in the form of an exercise. Write the appropriate form of adjectives with the help of the bracket. First sentence. My house is dash than yours. The word is big. Here we are comparing two things. So the answer would be bigger. Yes. This flower is dash than that one. And the adjective is beautiful. Can we say beautifuler? No. What will we say? Yes. This flower is more beautiful than that one. Which is the dash animal in the world? The word is dangerous. Yes, the answer is which is the most dangerous animal in the world? Who is the dash woman on earth? Adjective rich. Yes, the answer is richest. India is as dash as China and the adjective is powerful. Here we are not comparing India with China and we are using the words as. So it means we have to use positive degree. So the answer would be India is as powerful as China. Mohan is a dash boy. Again, as we are not comparing anyone with Mohan, so it is positive degree and the answer would be the adjective itself, that is naughty. Thank you students for listening to this video. I hope the chapter is clear to you.